virtual environment project. The goal of this project was to create a full-scale coherent virtual environment using multiple 3D asset sources, realistic scaling, proper lighting, audio, and optimized rendering performances. I imported assets from multiple sources. Some assets were imported from the Unity Asset Store, and other were imported from external sources such as CG traders. For example, in the project section, I have um, this folder. This folder gives me the living room furnitures, like the lamp that I have right here for the wall. And I also have external assets like the chair. I got it from CG Trader. Uh, the chair model were imported from CGTrader, and I used a 1 meter. I used a 1 meter Unity cube as a real world uh, reference to uniformly scale all assets to realistic dimension. Here you can see the scale for the cube is 111, and using this reference cube, I scaled the CG Trader chair uniformly to match real-world dining chair dimension. Um, my chair is right here, and the chair model consisted consisted of multiple mesh components, so I applied the uniform scale to the parent object rather than individual meshes. All objects in the environment use proper material. None of the assets appear pink or use missing shader, and materials are consistent across the scene. For example, for this chart right here, or for this wall right here, if I go to the mesh render and click here, you can see that the material for that is the shader for this one is universal render lit, not pink. I ensured the environment maintains a consistent visual style without mixing incompatible asset types. I use a directional light to simulate a ambient daylight and a point light to simulate a indoor lamp. This combination creates a realistic interior lighting and a soft shadow. Right here, I have the sun, and if I click on that, you can see that I use this number in the rotation to simulate the angle, and I used soft shadow for the shadow type. We have the same, we have the similar situation for the lamp light. We have soft shadow here, and as I said, I enabled soft shadow on the directional light to improve depth, perception, and realism without significantly impacting performance. I added a sub-level ambience audio track to avoid a silent environment and increase realism. If I play, you can hear the song, and also you can see that the in the static portion, the scene constantly render under 1 million triangle with approximately 290,000 triangle and 190,000 vertices.